In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to perform a factory reset on the HP LaserJet Pro 200 Color Printer M251nw. Resetting the printer can help solve many common problems and restore the device to its original settings.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
To start the reset process, press and hold the right corner or the left corner of the screen, just like you see in the video, for about 10 seconds. Now press the power button to turn on the printer, but do not remove your finger from the screen. Wait until you see the message Permanent Storage Init on the screen. Now you can release your finger from the screen. Now you can easily complete the basic printer settings, so the printer can be set up properly. After completing these settings, the printer will automatically go into calibration mode, which will take about 5 minutes. After completing the reset process, run a demo test once to check if the printer is working properly after the reset. After completing the factory reset on the HP LaserJet Pro 200 Color Printer M251nw, your printer is back to its original settings. Finish the basic setup and automatic calibration, then run a demo print to confirm it works properly. This reset solves common setup and connection issues. Stay tuned with Device Doctor for more printer tips.